This is the super yummy beans samosa which include paneer, lobia and chana. Hello guys, I'm Divya Parchani and today's recipe is gonna be super delicious, super yummy samosa recipe. So let's get started. All of you guys, you heard about aloo samosa or Chinese samosa, but today I'm making a different samosa for which I have taken boiled potatoes, boiled lobia, boiled chana, grated paneer, finely chopped onion, finely chopped green coriander, finely chopped green chili. And for making stuffing, I have taken a pan in which I have put 2-3 tablespoons of oil. Here I am going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Cook cumin seed until it turns into brownish color. Now I am going to put green chili chopped. Now I am going to put chopped onion. I have taken 2 green chilies, 2 finely chopped onion. Cook it till it turns into pinkish color. Don't overcook. Mash this lobia beans. Now add chana. Mix it together. Now add mashed lobia beans. After that add mashed potatoes. After that add grated paneer. Give a good mix all together. I have taken half bowl of chana, half bowl of lobia, boiled both, and 2 boiled potatoes. Now add coriander leaves. Now add salt as per taste. Now add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of amchur powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala. Now mix all the things together. Now stuffing is ready. See, this stuffing is ready, and now it's time for upper layer. Here I have taken bread with all the 4 corners removed. Here I have taken 1 bread and roll out bread like that using this balloon like this. Take 1 rolled bread, put the stuffing in half side like this, turn it like that, push on corners by applying little bit of water on your finger and push sides. See, our samosa is about to ready. Now take a pan for deep fry samosa. Add oil in the pan to deep fry samosa on a medium flame and fry our samosa. See, our samosa stuffing and upper layer ready. Fry it till it turns into golden color. Don't fry too much and put the gas on a medium flame. Take out the samosa on plate like this. Our samosa is ready. Let's plate. In one plate put our samosa like this and put the green chutney in center. Before putting the chutney, let's add some grated paneer in samosas. Here I have put in grated paneer and coriander leaves. Let's put our chutney in the center. One plate is ready. Now let's decorate another plate for chaat. Here I have taken 2 samosas. Chop it in pieces. Chop it like this. Put green chutney in this. Put some sauce like that. Now put some curd like this. Put some chopped onions. You can also put chopped tomatoes. Now put some sev. Put some chopped coriander. Then at last add grated paneer, salt, little amount of chaat masala, and little amount of red chili powder. See, our samosa plated dish is ready, and chaat is also ready. If you want to make this samosa a healthier version, then use brown bread or whole wheat bread and skip potato from stuffing, then it become a healthier version. So if you like this recipe, then give it a like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more tasty recipe and press the bell icon for notification. Thank you. If you eat this kind of samosa, then you forgot to eat street samosa, aloo samosa or Chinese samosa. This is a super yummy dish which you ever tasted. Thank you.